The GCH Guitar Academy 2021 Christmas giveaway. If you've been following the GCH Guitar Academy Fingerstyle guitar course, or would like to follow that course, then this is for you. Because this year I'm giving away the eBook in PDF format of the full Fingerstyle guitar course, plus the MP3 backing tracks. People who've been following my channel for over a year will know I did this last year. However, this time there's twice as many lessons and there's 220 meg of MP3 files. If you've just stumbled across this video and you'd like to learn to play fingerstyle guitar, I'll place the link to the playlists down below in the description, and you can also find the complete course at www.ebooks4guitar.com. And obviously, if you're thinking of learning how to play fingerstyle guitar, it's very handy to have the ebooks. I'm going to be adding new lessons to this course for at least the next year. And because of this, keep your download details in a safe place and revisit the download page from time to time, because I'll keep updating the ebook. And be warned, get this whilst you can, because it's not going to be free forever. Here's how to get the ebook and backing tracks. In order to get the free downloads, go to www.ebooks4guitar.com/gift-2021/ and hit return. You can see the link here on the screen, and I'll also put it down below in the description. When you arrive at that page, register a name and email address and click on the register button. Then you'll be sent an email automatically with the download details in it. When you click on the link in the email, you'll come to a page that's very similar to the registration page. Use the name and email address you used to register, and then you'll have access to the download page. And from there, you can download what you want. And as anyone who's already downloaded any of my ebooks will know, I don't collect the email addresses to send out spam or pass on to third parties or anything like that. It's purely so I can control who's accessing the download area. With the ebooks and backing tracks being in a secure area that you have to log into, they're obviously not in the public domain. And this way I maintain full control of the copyrights. And this is obviously why you have to register to get the downloads. This year has been a really good year for the YouTube channel, and it's continuing to grow. Last year I was genuinely thinking of stopping making new videos. However, now the YouTube channel is just about sustainable. And the reason I'm telling you this is because it's all down to you guys. Without my subscribers and viewers, obviously the channel would be a waste of time and wouldn't exist. So a special thanks to you guys. And I hope you have a really great Christmas, and the next year is really good for all of you. And I'll end this video with a couple of tunes that are already in the fingerpicking course, and there's many yet to come.